So right here, I will be showing you how to create a Facebook page for your adverts. So to create a Facebook page is pretty easy. All you have to do is here, as you can see, I'm on my home page. All you have to do is to head down to where you see pages. All right. So when you click on pages, as you can see so far, I have just one page available. We are going to click on create a new page. So click on create a new page, and then here you are going to input your page name. You can use your brand name, your own name, or whichever name that is more preferable by you. So in my case, I'm going to use Kiddies Wears, and then category, you can call it business. Okay, you can see business center, business consultation, business supply service. You can just go down. You can call, let's see if we can see something like a shop. Okay, shopping service, pharmacy. No, I think business is okay. So let's go to business center. Yeah, let's use business center for this. So now this bio is optional. Bio is more like your about. You can say here we sell. You can say here we sell. Here we sell kiddies. We sell quality. Quality kiddies wears. Contact us now. This is just a demo. In your case, you can use something eye-catchy. Quality. You can use an eye-catchy bio. So another thing you are going to do, then you click on this create page. Kiddie. Here we sell kiddie wears. I think this should be kiddies. Kiddies wear. So now you are going to click on create page. Let's see what will happen. All right, it says you have created too many pages recently. Please try again. This is one of the problem a lot of people face. Most of my students do come to my inbox, or some of them call me directly. I cannot create a new page. Even if this account is new, as you can see, I have just one page on this account, and it's telling me that I've created too many pages. Meanwhile, I have just one page. If you are having this error, say goodbye, because I'm going to be showing you how to overcome this error. The easiest way you can do it, either on mobile phone or on your laptop or your desktop computer, go ahead and download a VPN. If you are using Android phone or iPhone, download Windscribe VPN, or you can download IPVanish. Any of these two. In fact, any VPN is okay, but I will recommend Windscribe because it's free of charge. You're not going to pay a dime. So you can turn your VPN on to USA or UK, any country of your choice. So here I have my Windscribe VPN. All I'm going to do is to on this VPN. So here now, you can click down here where you see locations to select a location. These are all the available locations. So let's go to USA. As you can see, I have Atlanta Mountain. So it's going to connect. So let's wait for this to connect. So now once my VPN is connected, please mind you, I've already signed up on this VPN Windscribe. So in your case, when you download it new, it's going to ask you to sign up. So sign up and then select a location on your VPN. Once you on your VPN, let's see what's going to happen. Let's try and create a page now. So let's click on create a page and let's see what will happen, if we are still going to get that error message or not. As you can see here, it says Kiddies Wears was created. Now you can add image or go to your page to add more details. So that is to say our page has been created successfully. So this is how to bypass that error message here. So once you've created your page, you can go ahead and off your VPN. So let's confirm this page has been created. Let's go back again. You say go to page, or let's edit this place and leave page. Let's see what will happen. Let's go back to our home page. So now, to confirm that your page has been created successfully, go back to pages All right. So when you go to pages, refresh this page. All right. As you can see, our page has been created. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to visit this page to modify it to our taste. So once you are on this page, if you look here, you will see something like switch into Kiddisware page to take more action. If you don't want to use this option to switch, you can easily go up here on your profile, click on it. Then you see icon here, you see option here to switch. So if you click here, it will automatically switch to this page. All right, or you click here. So let's click here and see what happens. To ask you, do you want to switch this profile? You will say yes, or you click on switch. So let's see what is going to happen. It's loading up, switching to Kiddisware. So right here, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to modify our page by adding a profile picture and then the background picture. It says, welcome to your new page. You want to take a tour. Taking a tour means allowing Facebook to show you features on how to manage the page and how to do basic settings of the page. But in our case, we are going to use not now, or click on the X button. So when you click on the X button, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to select your profile picture. So now, if you don't have a profile picture, you can actually go to Google search and look for a good profile picture. I'm selling Kiddisware, so I'm going to head over to Google and type Kiddisware. Let me just get a profile picture. If you have your company profile picture or a picture you want to use as a profile picture, go ahead and use it. But I'm using this just for example sake. So let's look for, this is the Kiddisware. Let me take this as my profile picture and let me open this also. All right, let me save this. All right, so if you come here, you click on this camera button or icon, you click on upload a picture, then you select the picture you just downloaded, or you select one from your phone. So I'm going to use this as my profile picture. All right, you can use this option here to zoom or zoom out. All right, so you click on save. As you can see, we have our profile picture created. The next thing we're going to do is to add a background photo or a cover photo. So I'm going to use here to add it and then click on upload a photo. So let me choose another photo for my background. All right, as you can see, our picture has been uploaded. So you can use your mouse here to either take it up or take it down. So let's use this one here and then click on save changes. So this is how you can create your Facebook page for your advertisement. So in your time, you can take your time to link your WhatsApp. To link your WhatsApp is very easy, or to add an action button is very, very easy. So here you can click on edit bio to write more eye-catchy bio for your business. This like this is too plain for our business. So you go to about. When you go to about, you will see some options here. Take your time to fill up these details here. If you want to fill them up, I will advise you fill them actually, because this is a business. All right, so click on edit, add your address, your service area, your phone number, your email address. If you have a website for your business, you can click here to add your website. You can also click to add your other social media links. All right, so just make sure you go through all these things and then edit to your taste and go to privacy and a legal action. Just make sure you fill up all these things one after the other, go through them and update information where necessary. So this is how you create your Facebook page. It's very, very simple. We are actually done on this section. Let's head over to the next section.